Hello, so today I will be showing you a tutorial on how to monetize your Instagram account and earn money from it. So click yes to receive notification whenever we post something new. So this is our blog, we post here daily, so take a look at it. I will put the link in the description. Now let's start. First, sponsored posts. There is two kinds of sponsored posts, video or text posts. The text post need to have a short definition about what you are promoting. And you put a link to the blog from raw info about it. The video post is the visual definitions of what you are promoting, and you put a URL link to that so people can visit it. Selling photos. You can sell photos that you took online, but it has to be good so you can attract many of investors. Take a look at our blog, we put links of websites that allows you to sell your photos. Affiliate marketing. Here you don't need to contact anyone, just make an affiliate account on Amazon or eBay and start promoting products there. You will get commissions by doing that. The commissions will be from 4% to 8%. Depending on which product you are promoting. We explain this method in more details on our article on how to earn money on Instagram, link in the description. Product or service or your own business promotion is almost the same as sponsored post, but you can also promote your stuff. For example, a book that you made or a product that you have, and you put a link from where they can buy the product. Also, there is another method which is Instagram shoutouts. That's where you give a shout out to someone and they pay you for that. Also, there is another method which is selling your account, but we really don't recommend that. Now, for more informations and more secrets ideas, visit our article that we made about how to earn money on Instagram. See you on the next tutorial. Peace.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me,